Hello friends, welcome to KK Java Tutorials. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you one of the very good feature of Oracle SQL Developer, and that is called code templates. Using code templates, you can basically access some predefined template, and which will help out to basically write any SQL query procedures, functions in efficient manner. Right? Let's see what is code templates. To access a predefined code templates, you will have to go in tools and then preferences, and here you can, within the code editor, if you expand it, then you will have code templates here. If you are not able to find, then simply in the search box you have to type template, right? Template, then here is the option, right, within the code editor. Now here you can see there are some predefined templates, right, and these are the templates basically. And to create a function, you have a basically this template, and corresponding ID is CF. CF means create function. So using CF you can access this template on the worksheet, right? If you want to create a procedure, then ID for that is CP, right? Create procedure. Similarly, if you want to create a table, then CT. Delete from, then DF. II means insert into table, right? You have an ID. SSF means select a star from. So let's see how we can access these templates in SQL worksheet. So here I'm going to type II and press control space, then here you can see I can access, right? Similarly, let's say I'm typing SSF means select a star from. Easily you can access this template. Then let's say CF, create function, right? So you can create this template, and you can write your function name, parameters, and these are the basically substitutable stuff, right? Similarly, if you want to create a store procedure, right, a store procedure, then CP, right, and you can access that template, right? If you want to delete, then DF, right? We had a DF, right? So these are the template easily you can access by their ID. If you want to define your own custom template, then easily you can define as well. So let's go to the tools, then preferences, and here we are in the code templates. Let's say I want to define my own custom template, right? So to define a custom template, you'll have to click on the add template. If you want to remove some existing template, then you have to select that template which you want to delete from here and click on remove template. So here, let's say I would like to define my custom template, then I'm going to click on add template, and here I'm going to define like select a star from dual, right? So dual is a table, so SSFD my ID, and here I'm going to define my template select and here parameter which must be substitutable. So here a parameter can be any function you can call, right? I would say from dual, and even you can specify semicolon as well, right? Now let's click on OK. Now our defined template ID is SSFT, and here we can see, you can see we can select our template. So here function is substitutable, so I'm going to replace this sysdate, right? So let's select sysdate from select sysdate, sorry. Then here you can see I'm able to select the system date. So guys, this is the one of the very good feature I found, and just I wanted to share with you, so you can improve your typing speed within the SQL developer, right? So that's all I have in this video, guys. Big thank you, and see you there in the next video tutorial.